Hey guys, and welcome. Today we're going to take a look at the Matchbox tree trimming truck. It is part of the real working rig segment, which was continued with the Kohl's stores. I'm not sure if they are still making these. Picked this up about 2 years ago, and I've been waiting, well, not 2 years ago, over a year ago, and been waiting to do a video on it and never really got to it. So now we're going to take a closer look. This is on the GMC top kick chassis, so it's a realistic truck, and that's why it was part of the real working rigs segment. And one thing I really like about this casting is that it's pretty unique, and a lot of the GMC versions of this truck right here, like this one, can be seen on the roads to this day with several companies. But GMC discontinued, or GM discontinued the GMC and Chevy version in 2009. I believe 2009 was the last year for them. And ever since then, really, it hasn't been the same for GM. They never really replaced the truck. They completely just got out of the medium duty truck business. And I picked this up because I already had the first release of it, and this release here was kind of unique and stuck out. When it first came out, I saw it, I picked it up, and I've seen it a few times after that. I don't know if you can still find these on the shelf or not. If you would have went back 2-3 months, you would have seen it, but I haven't seen it since. I don't know how many Kohl's bought, or if they have them in their warehouse and they're going to be shipping them out slowly. But it would be very nice to see Matchbox get back into the real working rigs for the price that they were at, like Walmart and stuff. I think they were like $4.99 when Walmart had them. That wasn't too bad of a deal for it. You get a larger casting, and pretty hard to find. Walmart wasn't really restocking them, at least in my areas. When the one Walmart I know of that had them, Target had them too, and from what I remember, Walmart wasn't really restocking them. So if they got case A one time, you'd probably see case C the next time around. So it wasn't really cool of an experience, I guess. I wish I picked up a lot more real working rigs over the years. There were quite a few that I really liked. But let's take a closer look. So like I said, I picked this one up at Kohl's. That I don't like how this is popping down. But pretty much this casting is pretty cool. Very nice casting. It might see its time in the city of Matchbox. For those of you who don't know what the city of Matchbox is, it's a town that I kind of made. And I'm actually building an actual town. So it's going to be something cool. It's actually going to be a city, not a town. But I am building a whole city, and you guys should check that out with the YouTube channel and Facebook page, City of Matchbox. Very nice, very unique. It says Mr. Green's Arbor Machine. It says it on the back of here too. It's pretty cool casting overall. Only 2 releases of this that I know of. I don't think they ever released any more than this one and then the one before it. But like I said, it would be very cool to see Matchbox get back into the real working rigs. So the moving features obviously are the other side. They don't want to come down anymore. I don't know. Anyway, these drop down. Doesn't do anything really. And that one side pops down when it shouldn't. That's gonna annoy me. Anyway, so the dump actually goes up. The tailgate on the dump opens up. It's a pretty cool feature there. And as you know, this can do a 360, which I would not recommend. And this can also do a 360 around the whole truck. Something cool. And then this, I will show you guys how high it can go. Go that high, and it can go up and down. Can actually go the other way too if you need to. But you know, you don't want your guy to be upside down. So there's a little look at this vehicle here, and a little bit of details about when this was released. There we go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little look at this Mr. Green's arbor machine. See you guys next time. Bye.